Happy Wednesday, everyone. This is your midweek update from VPTrade Daily Financial News. Stay informed, hit subscribe and follow us for more financial tips and trends. And in stock market news, Wall Street's benchmarks rebounded on Tuesday, recovering some losses from the previous session. Investors took advantage of easing treasury yields, focusing on tech stocks like Nvidia and Apple, which gained between 1.4% and 4.1%. The S&P 500 ended the day up 0.97%, while the Nasdaq surged 1.45%. Investors are keeping a close eye on inflation data and the start of the third quarter earnings season. Fed cuts on the horizon? Now, shifting to interest rates, investors remain focused on the Federal Reserve, with many anticipating a 25 basis point rate cut at the November meeting. According to the CME FedWatch tool, there's now an 89% chance of this cut, especially as we await the upcoming Consumer Price Index report later this week. Analysts expect inflation data to shape the Fed's next move. Global market reactions, China slump and Euro markets. Next, looking globally, China's stock market took a sharp fall on Wednesday, dropping more than 5%. Investors are disappointed by a lack of substantial stimulus from Beijing. This decline also impacted European markets, with mining and luxury stocks, such as Rio Tinto and BHP, seeing significant drops. It's a cautionary moment for those with exposure to China's economic recovery. And in Forex news, the US dollar is holding steady after last week's rally. Meanwhile, the New Zealand dollar slumped to its lowest since August after the Reserve Bank cut interest rates by 50 basis points. Investors are now assessing potential further cuts, with analysts noting a dovish signal from New Zealand's central bank. Finally, in commodities, both gold and oil have seen drops this week. Gold is hovering around $2,620 per ounce, with traders awaiting key inflation data for further direction. Oil prices steadied today after a sharp fall due to easing tensions in the Middle East. However, demand concerns remain, particularly with weak industrial growth in the US and China. That's it for today's market recap. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and share with your fellow traders. We'll be back tomorrow with more market analysis. Have a great day.